Lord Jesus, have mercy upon a man.
So we're finally home and we're going to be unboxing my new TORYs together. So let's go. Yay! All right, so let's do this one first. The packaging is so cute, and of course my baby is gonna bring, well, that's all right. Yeah, my baby gonna bring these so I can, you know, unbox them with y'all. Alright, so this is the first one. Wait, I'm supposed to kind of see it clearly. Yeah. I think this is the black. Or is it? Because stop playing. Oh, alright. Guys, I literally just do a TikTok video. This one actually comes with a dust bag, but I put it in the other bag. So here we are. It's so cute. It's dark blue. Cute, right? Yeah. Alright, so this is the first one. I love this color. I don't, babe, I have blue slippers. No? No, so this is gonna be my first blue slippers. Wait, let me just put the dust bag back in this because I accidentally put it in the other bag. Alright, here's the next one. Same packaging. I think this, yeah, this bag box is a different color. Here we are. Alright. Oh, here's the dust bag. So this actually comes with the first slippers, not this one. So here's the other one. It's the simple black one. I don't know if you guys remember the first one that BURCH had. I don't think it looks like this with this type of thing. I think it had the same material all around, but this is a little, it has like a cushion thing. If you can, I think it, yeah, you guys can see it in the video, like around here is different from in the middle of the zipper. So it's not, I know it's plastic, but it's not plastic all around, so it has a little comfort to it, right? Yeah, but that's about it.
They have
The regular one.
There's the shiny one and the one that's not shiny.
That's matte?
Yes, matte.
Okay.
And then they have one with no gold. Like you see the gold.
Oh, it's black?
They have this full blue or full black. And then they have the what I like now with the gold.
Okay, guys. I actually also got an earring. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, one thing women love about BURCH, I love their packaging. So here's the little, it comes with a little dust bag and the name is on it, BURCH, if you guys can see. I don't know, guys, I did my lashes. You guys love them, they're so cute. I think these are gonna be my signature lashes every time I go to do my lashes, right babe?
Yes.
You like this?
I love these.
Here we are. So cute. My baby chose them for me. Thank you, babe.
Earrings?
Yes, I love them. I gotta put them in now. But yeah, that's about it for everything that I got from BURCH. Wait, I'm gonna put them in right now. No, I need to clean my ears first. The last time I cleaned it, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, so it needs to be clean. That's about it for this part of the video. We'll maybe go on the road tomorrow, so y'all know I'm gonna take you guys with me already. If not, I'll be staying home and cooking some food, and I'll be taking you guys with me as usual. So what exactly we did today, babe? So I went to do my lashes first, and then after that we went to, what we got after me doing lashes, babe? Active. No, I never active. We go first. Quartz. We went to Quartz first. No, we did actually stop somewhere and eat. Then we go Quartz. Yeah, as you guys can see, and then we went to Active to look at some stuff. And then after that, when it's not closed now. How was your iron wax? After we were Active, we went to get some food, and then we got Paris, and then we came home. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. I'm trying to give you guys vlogs before they cuss me again. It's my god, we don't notice. But yeah, that's about it for this vlog. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Really like you, me even like myself, so baby, lay the side truth. Hey, give me a heart, I just believe in I youth. Come party with a star, so me vibe. Now the moon, you see him. She a broke out on the ground in front of me. She tell me, she beat up. Good baby, what? You fi start up your car and come to me. She a wine and the thing in front of me. She say fi bring it. She go burn it, yeah. Now the night when the dark.
Hey guys, I don't even know if you can see me because I don't have one. Wait, let me grab a towel because listen. Okay, so we're going on a little date night. Yeah! Alright, I don't know where we're going, but I'm gonna show you guys. I have two outfits. I don't know which one of them to wear. I want to wear the one that doesn't have the red slippers because I'm wearing the red slippers already. Guys, I have about 6 slippers what Tari bring for me from last year, and I haven't worn them. This is so crazy, but I'm gonna show you guys the 2 outfits. If you don't want to carry up this side, guys, now I the balloon them. Tari refuse to take them down, okay? Alright. And you know, we did actually bet on which one of them are gonna drop down last. We bet on 2 and female just dropped, so I won. But yeah, make sure you the outfit them, and let's see which one I'll choose, because obviously you can't help me for choose, so yeah. Okay, this is the first one. Simple green dress. I need a next brown bag because I don't know, this brown bag is giving beachy, but we have to work with it for now. As Zara slides, I'm either gonna wear, if I'm wearing this, I would wear the full gold accessories, so watch, chain, and I'm gonna be christening my earrings, of course, or this brown outfit, my Zara bag, Zara slides, and this little cute dress here from Shein, of course, and then I would wear my black and gold necklace, and it would match my watch with my earrings, of course. So it's either one of these 2, but when Tari come, because I'm gonna wash the car, I think he's supposed to be done now, I'm gonna be choosing. So let's see which one I chose. So yeah, so see you guys, mega beard and everything. Okay guys, we're gonna be doing a mini unboxing, quick and fast. So from Sephora, of course. Yes. My baby got me some lip glosses. This is the first batch of my makeup stuff. So he got it from Sephora, of course. So maybe show you what's inside. So first he got a lip gloss. I actually sent him some that I wanted. Wait, let me put this here. That I wanted, but they didn't have that, so I guess they gave him what was closer to it. So this is a lip gloss. The brand is Sephora, I guess. It says volume effect, pump effect. I don't know what that means, but I don't know the name of it though. Outrageous effect. What's the name? I don't see any name there, but here it is, guys. I don't know if you can see. That's what it's again. This is a lip gloss actually. Alright, so I'm gonna be trying that out. And of course we got I don't know, is this a lip liner or an eyebrow pencil? I just we're not gonna help me out for my makeup babies that watch these videos. It's 14 muted bro. Wait, what was I saying? So we have lip liner, I guess it's from SEPHORA, and the color is listen, you know, if you help me with, you know, it has 14 muted brown on it. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, we're gonna be trying this out also. And we got 2 lip glosses. I think I'm gonna try the pink one tonight. It's the brand is SEPHORA too. Yeah. And the name of this is Hippie Pink, 69 Hippie Pink. And then we have this one, is the same brand. The name of this one is Soft Mocha. But I'm gonna be trying the pink one. So that's basically it. I think all these came up to like $60 something or something like that. I don't know. And these are what? A serum and water cream. Listen, don't have to assist me with the makeup business because I know nothing. I know about concealer, foundation, and I know how to apply those because of course y'all watched my video when I went to Fontana and she showed me. And I think they gave this is a Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. Let me smell it. Oh, it can't pull, you have to spray. This actually smells good. Actually smells nice. But yeah, that's basically what's in my bag. So I'm gonna take a shower, come back, and then y'all are gonna be getting ready with me. Yay! So when we come back. Okay guys, me just done fight to pull them here a while ago. But finished bed and everything, and I'm gonna be trying to do this. If me look like handicap, wanna please don't laugh. But yeah. I wish I'm even looking at the camera. Listen. Minutes, you know? Yes, you don't know. But this move, Lord Jesus. Why? When I forgot, help me. For me. Okay, we're gonna try it. Never could try.
Lord Jesus, have mercy upon a man here. We feel fed up.
I don't want to laugh, you know, I don't want to laugh. I'm going to go for the brown one and try and mix the two of them. Great. Guys, we're ready. We decided not to try out them day tonight. I'm just line my lip with the lip liner and I have my lip gloss. See? Perfect. Because we can't wear the shit again, so I'm gonna put on my clothes now. Hey guys, let's do a get ready with me. I'm gonna put my dress on. Okay, so here's the dress. So let's put the jewelry on. Here are the earrings. Here are the surprise. Oh, I have to take out the tablet. Here's the bag. These are the scents.
Really like you, me even like myself, so baby, lay the side truth. Hey, give me a heart and just believe in I.
Your friend's bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friend's bad too. Oh, you got the.
Why the fuck you have to look so good? Them beauty unusual, you sold my soul when I talk.
Guys, good morning. I need to fix my hair, but it's today Sunday. Happy Sunday, and we are heading to Ochi. So I've already put on my clothes, just something simple, and I'm taking you guys with me. So stay tuned. Yeah.
But bitch, I'm that you. Snap on the COVID, don't get like you. Anything you get, I want you choose when you go.
Guys, it's after 3. We just got here. Is it that's something and keep on at our car? Wow, this is so pretty. We're at Spring Paradise or something like that. I don't remember what I'm waiting for you. Yeah, I'm gonna change into my swimsuit. I'm reaching.
Your friend's bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friend's bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drip the swag too.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow.
Guys, we're in a Ochi, we're there at Island Village.
Yes. Walk.
Guys, so we're at Island Village. Before now, maybe great. With the alarm below. We got ice cream. And then we will go. Guys, the river was. I'm putting you in there?
Yeah. That's what me do with you. You can't look funny.
Guys, I'm on my lunch break. And we're at the hardware. Why does my hair look like that? We're at the hardware. Oh. Yeah, we're at the hardware and where TORY got exchanged the pipe that he got yesterday for the machine, because when we tried it out last night it was leaking, so he's trying to exchange it. But I think I'll get drive out because let's not say work is not stressing me, but yeah, why not? So I got my coach. We got our coach, guys. It's so cute. I love it. I can't wait for it to show you guys. But yeah, I'm just updating you guys because today is Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. So I'll see you guys when I'm setting it up. Hey guys, so today is Saturday and we're going on a little road trip. Well, not really a road trip, but we're gonna look for TORY's dad. So yeah, so I'm saying go and get peanut because I'm feel for peanut. So I'm here waiting. So yeah, guys, I'm here. Like my face so dry because my face stuff are finished. I think them ship already. Them supposed to reach soon. So yeah, I'm not even putting on for my face. I'm probably have to go put some of the palmer's oil on it. I thought you guys it's only be one peanut. No sir. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing today. And then we're gonna stay over tomorrow. And oh,
Me get Oreo for you.
Oreo?
Yeah. You want it?
Then I'm gonna be here.
Baby, me could afford it. I mean, the bill come to $600 and $500 alone. Me never carry me one.
So when you bring buy the big peanut there?
That's with you now. I don't know about the difference. $100 for that peanut here, my dog. See it? And down, and then look one of it. Something there. And then look one of 100 and like 30 or something, and this is for 180, so it's better to buy this. Here. $6 ranch today.
I bet you give me ginger beer.
Ginger?
You drink that cookie.
Really?
Yes.
More than Oreo?
Yeah.
You don't like Oreo? There?
No.
Why? Let's see Oreo.
It has a cookie and cream.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer.